Hello, this is me and Logan, and we're currently waiting until we get fishing, and today we'll be doing fishing time. Here's the fish. Woo woo. Okay. I'm Coen. Hello. And that's Logan up there.
Hello.
And we'll start in 5, 4. Hang on.
3.
Okay. We'll start in
5.
Go.
4.
We're gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Let's go fishing. I've got one fish.
I've got one fish.
Come on. And I've got another fish. No, he just fell down. Oh, come on. Yes, got another fish. And one more fish to go. Oh, time's up. Logan won. Right, let's start it again.
You fish first.
No, you have to get your fish as well.
I'll get...
Let's change fishing rods. I've got orange. Coen has. And Logan's got yellow. Get the yellow.
Yeah.
Okay. We will start in... Where's the yellow ones? Right, get the yellow
one.
fish. Get the orange fish as well.
3.
Orange. I'll
No,
get one.
I want the orange.
I have the orange fishing rod. You got...
The yellow one.
Yeah, that's best. Right, we'll start in 5,
2,
4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go fishing.
Oh, there's...
Oh, really?
Wait! Put all the fish in the bag.
Why? We're
Because
doing fishing. We're doing a video for fish. Oh, come on, I win. Yes, I won. No, it just went back. Yes, I won. No, I won. Okay. This is... Okay, we're done now, and there'll be a link in the description, and I'll see you all later. Bye!
I want to do some more fishing.